What's up guys, welcome back again to my channel. So here I have my overripe banana. Now you want some nice black skin bananas. So over here guys, I have my cinnamon powder and my freshly grated nutmeg. Have my cooking oil. Now to make your banana bread super moist, you have to use the cooking oil. The butter is not going to be as moist as you would love it. I also have my brown sugar. Now the brown sugar for the recipe is better, that's my opinion. So I have my all-purpose flour. I also have some baking powder and salt in the container with the flour. So now I'm just gonna peel my bananas. So I'm gonna peel all the bananas off camera and then I return to let you see the next step. Now bear in mind that I will add some vanilla to it as well. I did not show it on camera, but it will be used. Now I'm just using a masher to just mash my bananas. If you like, you could use a fork, but I'm gonna be using a fork, but I like to use a masher first and then I use a fork to make it have a nice baby food consistency. Now for the recipe, my bananas, they're small, so I use 6, but if you have some really big bananas, then you can just use 3. Alright, now if you like this consistency of your mashed bananas, then you could let it stay, but I love mine to be very smooth, so I'm just going to use a fork to finish mashing it. Now I don't love my banana bread to be chunky, so I'm not gonna leave no chunks of bananas in there, but if you want to, of course guys, you can. So when I'm finished doing it, I'm gonna transfer it to a bowl, and then after transferring it to the bowl, I'm gonna mix all my dry ingredients together. So first I'm gonna add my oil. Now I am using vegetable oil. After adding the vegetable oil, I'm going to be adding my vanilla. Now I'm adding like a teaspoon of vanilla. After adding that, I'm gonna add my sugar. Now you can add as much or as little sugar as you like. You know, everybody have their own taste, so add it to your liking. Now the brown sugar helps with moisture as well, so I would recommend the granulated sugar, but if that's what you have, then you know you just have to use what you have. Alright, after doing so, I am gonna mix my dry ingredients together. So as I mentioned earlier, I have my baking soda and my salt in the container with the flour. So now I'm gonna just mix my cinnamon powder and my nutmeg with it. Alright, now guys, I wanna sieve your dry ingredients. So normally I do so off camera. So at this point I'm finished mixing, so I'm just gonna be using my spoon to add the flour mixture to the wet butter. Alright, now of course guys, you don't want to throw down all of your flour mixture at once. You want to do it in parts. So I had in my like 1/3 each time. Alright, now at this point I'm using a fork just to cut and fold. Bear in mind guys, for the recipe I don't normally use milk, and I worse don't like eggs, so I'm not gonna put no egg in my banana bread. Now you just go mix until that wet mixture absorb all of the flour. Now you might be tempted to add liquid, but trust me guys, you're not gonna need no liquid at all. Alright, so just cut and fold until all your flour is incorporated. Alright, now if you're enjoying the video, of course give it a thumbs up, share the video guys, it do help my channel to grow, and consider subscribing for more amazing contents like these. I know so many persons love their banana bread. Some persons that add like some nuts to it, or you can add the raisins, but I'm just making a simple banana bread today. So whatever you want to add, just add. So I'm just gonna use a spatula just to ensure that all of that flour is fully mixed in. Alright, you don't want to over mix the batter because you don't want your cake to become hard or too Alright, you know sometimes you bake a cake and it bursts up bad, yeah, because you overmix. Alright, now this is the baking container of choice. I do like to use these because they're disposable, so I just greased it with some oil. I can always grease it with butter. After doing so, I'm just gonna transfer my butter. So guys, I forgot to tell you to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna bake a banana bread for 55 minutes to an hour. Now it all depends on your oven as well. Now after you transfer all your nice butter into your baking container of choice, you wanna level the butter. Alright, then I give it a nice tap just to ensure that it's fully leveled. Then I place it into your oven. Now after an hour, my banana bread is out of the oven and it's smelling amazing. All those persons who love banana bread, you know that nice smell, yeah. So it is looking soft, so let it cool down fully and then I come and cut a slice. Alright, now it's fully cool, so I gotta just give it a slice. Alright, so as you can see guys, it's moist, it cuts easily, but bear in mind that it will be better if you use a bread knife, So thank you so much for watching. Go and big up on yourself guys, and if you try the recipe, comment down below and give me feedback. Look at that guys, super moist, yeah, and flavorful. Mess up on yourself guys and take care.